Hey, put your phone away. We're ready to go. You can go ahead and start. I'm just going to check to do my thing where I double check. Yeah, it's going. We're good. Nothing's falling. All right.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some
Experiments?
hang on. Let me start again. Hey guys, today we're going to be playing around with some cereal. So, this is kind of like a chill activity today. Just some stuff I had lying around. So what you'll need for this is a box of Corn Flakes, some magnets. I have my magnets from the from the homopolar motor experiment. I've still got those.
I still can't see that.
This I'm going to use to squish that cornflake. So pretty much anything you could use. Like you could use like a molcajete, you could use a mortar and pestle. Just put your cornflakes on a plate and push like something on top of them to crush them.
Where can one get a molcajete?
A molcajete?
A molcajete.
Probably at HEB.
Okay.
Maybe Walmart.
I would like to get.
You might want a bowl. Not necessarily required, but for one of these little fun activity things, you might want something like that. And a plate. Also some white paper. So the first thing we're gonna do is get some cornflakes out. Hey Orlando.
Yes.
Could you do me a favor?
No. I mean, yes. What? Depends on what the favor is.
I need some Ziplocs. I forgot to get Ziploc bags.
Ziploc, where are they?
They're in the craft closet.
Okay, keep talking. I'm going to see if I can find
Okay. So while Orlando...
I'll be back, folks.
While Orlando helps me out by getting some Ziploc bags, we're going to start squishing these. Maybe get a bigger plate. This is going to get messy. I didn't realize they would do that. Oh my god, they're going everywhere. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna put these in the bowl. That might work better. We'll just put them on the plate later. Okay. You could also probably put them in a blender. That would probably work too. Probably be a lot faster than this. Excellent, thank you.
I have a variety of different types of
Oh,
Ziploc
great.
bags. Observe. And
Oh,
these
little
little snack bags, yeah. All right. Have fun with it.
These little crushed bits are going everywhere. Oh, hey, that works too.
Oops. Gotta advertise now. What are you doing, Lily?
So I'm crushing these. we have been talking about ways to crush them, get them into very like a fine powder. So you can do this by hand. You could also use the blender, like I said a minute
A
ago.
blender?
Yeah.
I do it like Conan the Barbarian.
What?
He goes, crush your cornflakes. See them driven before you. And hear the lamentation of the cows.
Dang it, I had an idea and I forgot what it was.
Oh!
Oh! You could probably put them between like 2 sheets of wax paper and just roll a rolling pin across them a couple times till it turns into a fine powder. The finer you can get it crushed, the better.
You ever had a rolling pin sword fight?
No.
Pretty dangerous. But boy, my grandma was upset.
So tired.
Having fun yet?
I will end you.
Come on, Lily, crush them. Crush the
Yeah,
powder.
Making such a mess.
What's that ASMR? I like the sound. It's a great sound. Feels like I'm walking in a wooded area with a lot of leaves.
I think we're almost there.
There's some people that are going to be like just constantly rewinding this part.
I doubt it. Okay, at this point, this is an exercise in futility. This is about as good as it's going to get. So I have sort of, not really a powder, but it's like little tiny, finely crushed pieces. Not as fine, but hang on. I'm a perfectionist. I have made such a mess, you guys.
You realize you get all that stuff from the bottom of the bag anyway. Especially with brand stuff like Frosted Flakes.
Mm-hmm.
That's the worst part. Is that when you're done with the cereal box, like, the last bit of cereal, you get a whole bunch of cereal dust.
Oh, that's a good point, actually.
Yeah.
You have an open bag of cereal that you've almost finished. You could probably just pour the little cereal dust at the bottom. Use that. You can actually use like any kind of cereal for this. I got Corn Flakes because, I mean, who really wants to eat Corn Flakes? So.
I do. Throw in a cup of sugar, some bananas. You got yourself a stew.
Okay, but if you're gonna eat Corn Flakes with sugar, why wouldn't you just buy Frosted Flakes?
I don't know. Sometimes what I would do is I would mix cereals together.
Mhm.
Like there's a little bit of Corn Flakes, a little bit of Frosted Flakes, and hey, maybe a little bit of Raisin Bran. And there's like a little bit left of each one. You get it all and make yourself like a hodgepodge cereal, and it is good.
Is it?
It works with that, but it doesn't always work with, like, let's say, if you had Cocoa Pebbles and Fruity Pebbles, that doesn't work.
Okay. Magnet. You need a magnet? Yep. Going to need your magnet now. So you want it to be a fairly strong magnet, so you could use like a good magnet off your fridge or a magnet on like a chip clip. There we go.
Clip chip.
And you're gonna kind of like try to spread these out as thin as you can. And I'm just gonna run a magnet over it. It's a tiny magnet. I don't know if this will work for me.
What's going on there?
So the thing about most cereals is that they contain iron, because iron is good for you. It helps your body create, helps it make something called hemoglobin, which
I used to call it the hemoglobin.
I think it's part of your red blood cells, and it's what helps your red blood cells bring oxygen to the different parts of your body. So it's something that you want to have enough of in your body. I think you can have too much, and it's bad. You don't want to have too little either, because that's called anemia, I think, isn't it?
I believe so.
I'm sure that's
When you're
anemia.
anemic.
It's not working very well for me. Maybe it'll work better for you. You know, that's something you could experiment with, is different brands of the same type of cereals. You could get like generic Corn Flakes, brand name Corn Flakes, Frosted Flakes, any other kind of cereal you want, and compare how well this actually works for you. Because the iron in the cereal, theoretically, and I don't think I was able to crush it fine enough to do this, but theoretically should collect on your magnet when you roll it through the cereal. It's just not, I'm so disappointed. It's just not working for me.
What about Captain Crunch?
Yeah, that probably has added iron too.
You know, my favorite generic cereal was King Vitamin.
King Vitamin.
Yeah, they have this big guy on the front. Like just a photo of a guy with a crown. Look like someone's like uncle. King Vitamin. Put some Dr. Thunder in there too. Remember Super Golden Crisp?
No, I don't.
Super Golden Crisp was the cereal with a guy where their mascot was Sugar Bear.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I got like the world's tiniest amount of little iron particles
Oh
stuck to my
wow!
magnet.
So it worked.
It did, not very well,
Let me
but
see
it
that.
did work. Don't get it too close to your phone. You're gonna...
I was gonna show it to you, but okay, hold on.
I don't know how well you'll be able to see it because it's just like the tiniest bits, like smaller than the head of a pin.
Focus. 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 This doesn't want to focus. Well, we'll just pretend and use our imagination. Oh, there you go.
Yeah?
I see him now.
Yay!
Those little dots.